Yeah, it's we were trying to see where we were.
I almost know.
There's also a Buddha one. That's not me. We did that in my high school. So we did.
Do I look fire?
Last time I saw one of those, my mom was holding. Like, I
have not seen one of those in so long. Dude, I bet I look sick in that. Handicam vision? Dude, I need one of
oh,
those.
you got the soap.
I got this.
That's fire.
Dude, it's clear.
That is sick.
That's fire.
It looks good as fuck.
Yo, dude!
Tired, bro.
Welcome back to my vlog, to my YouTube channel. This is Jovia with Spartans indoor Percussion. Today we come to you with lovely snare drummer here.
Hello.
Whose name I definitely... Can you say your name for the camera, please?
Harrison.
Harrison! Yes. Harrison, welcome back to my busted Kansas.
Yeah.
Homophobic Fernandez.
Yo, you actually almost.
Just chilling in block, smoking crack and shit. Fucking mad bitches. You already know,
Dude.
What is this for?
Casting codes.
My bad. I've had this the whole weekend.
You really had this whole weekend.
Can you film
Right,
me?
name, age, and where you're from?
Hey, come on, aggro. Hey, come on, aggro.
I'm 38 and I'm an alcoholic.
Hey, dude. Yeah, where are we going? To the armory. Oh my god! Go.
I'm a young Andrew with the subwoofer.
What are you, the camcorder?
You missed
Is this 2001?
Listen.
Yo, keep that in.
I was around. I got some old tapes on there.
We have a young Andrew once again with the subwoofer. Wait to put it on the truck.
Outside.
You're ruining the commentary.
This is all staying.
Andrew.
We have a wild Andrew and a wild Jacob pulling up. We have a wild Jacob. He says hello. Retreats. And here we go. Here's Andrew pushing the mixer all alone.
He's got it.
It's in the truck. He's done it.
My least favorite thing is when everyone has a thing that they're doing and has no place. So like, getting out of
Nick is over.
like, don't travel the truck.
Threatened by the
Everyone
camera.
has something to do. Yeah. That's
Not realistic etiquette.
is, but
Everyone has something to do.
honestly, it's just like be there if you're needed. That's
Be there when I be there.
Here we have a chinmay round in the wild. He feels threatened. Who do we have here? We have a Jacob.
Yeah, Jacob.
Percussion beats held back by the rope.
that's valid.
Hey, Dave. Where are we going?
We're going to the limbs. It's feelings, baby.
Bro.
Like that already sounds a lot better. And like you do it slowly. The way our brains literally work is like you're creating like pathways to your arm. So like the reason it's so hard to
I did not consent to the documenting of this lesson.
So the reason why it's so difficult for us to like get play stuff at first if we haven't played it before is because like we can physically do it, but our brain literally creates like neural pathways. So like first aren't used to that motion, so the more you do it, the more your brain's gonna build up that road.
Yeah.
It'll turn into a highway basically.
Yeah.
So like you want to do it slow like
So
that.
it's like building the library.
Caleb.
You
Yeah.
can just play.
Is it a
things
video?
like that.
Exactly. So even
Yeah.
if you're like doing it slowly, like it's still really important to walk it slowly because you want to build
Is it a
that
video?
pathway the
Yes,
right way.
it's recording.
Even
Yeah.
if you're doing things too quickly, it'll
Don't go
you'll
too
learn how to do
close.
it
You don't
wrong.
wanna
So
see
that's
my
why I'm like
pores.
emphasizing like take
Yeah.
the time to do this because it will translate to
Yeah.
the faster stuff. Sorry, I'm
Bruh.
this is fun.
Okay, wait. I don't know how to talk this.
Anyway.
I'm also just like getting tips because this is what I wish I knew when I started out. I basically had to learn all this shit by myself.
Yeah.
I look even goofier.
I just gotta go, bro. I gotta camp.
No, that's cooler.